Welcome to this tutorial where I'll guide you through how to run a report in Clio Manage. Whether you're managing client billing, tracking case progress, or analyzing productivity, Clio Manage offers comprehensive reporting features to meet your needs. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to generate the specific report you need with confidence and ease. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Clio Manage account. Once you've entered your credentials and successfully logged in, you should find yourself on the Clio Manage dashboard. This is your central hub for accessing all the tools and features that Clio has to offer. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already, as this will help you navigate more efficiently. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll notice a navigation menu. This menu is your gateway to all of Clio's functionalities, and for today's task, we're going to focus on the Reports section. Go ahead and click on Reports. This will take you to a new page where you can see all the different reporting options available to you. Once you're on the Reports page, you'll see that there are several categories of reports you can run. These categories are designed to help you quickly find the type of report that best suits your needs. Whether you're looking for financial insights, client activity, or time and billing details, you'll find a category that aligns with your objectives. Take a moment to browse through these categories. Once you've identified the category that fits your needs, click on it. This will reveal a list of specific report titles you can generate within that category. With your chosen report title in mind, it's time to configure the report filters and parameters. This is a crucial step because it allows you to tailor the report to provide the exact information you're looking for. Depending on the report, you might be able to set parameters such as date ranges, specific clients, matters, or billing statuses. Carefully select these options based on the insights you hope to gain. For instance, if you're interested in tracking billable hours for a particular client over the last month, make sure to set the appropriate date range and client parameters. Once you've set all the necessary filters and parameters, it's finally time to save your report settings. This will generate the report based on the criteria you've established. Depending on the complexity and amount of data involved, it might take a few moments for Clio to compile your report, so be patient. Once it's ready, you'll be able to view it directly in Clio, download it for offline analysis, or even share it with colleagues if collaboration is key to your workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully run a report in Clio Manage. As you become more familiar with the reports and data available to you, you'll find that you can make more informed decisions and streamline your legal practices operations. Remember, the key to getting the most out of Clio's reporting features is to regularly explore the different categories and customize the parameters to suit your evolving needs. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in navigating Clio Manage's reporting tools. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Clio's support resources are always available to help you out. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.